how to schedule airplane mode on iPhone. So if you want to schedule airplane mode on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your shortcuts application. Once you do, go with plus, which will be on the top right, and then tap on search actions and search for set airplane mode. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. Tap on on. Now tap on done, which will be in the top right. Now as you can see that you will have set airplane mode right here. Now you need to go with the automation, which will be in the bottom of your screen, and then tap on the plus, which will be in the top, and add a new automation. Now tap on time of the day, and here again select time of day and set a specific time for airplane mode to activate, such as sunset or sunrise. Adjust the time if needed. You can choose how often this automation can be repeated, like daily, weekly, or monthly. And after that, you need to choose run immediately. Now go with next, which will be in the top right. Now go with new blank automation right here. Now in the search bar, find your previously created set airplane mode. After that, tap on done, which will be in the top right, and save your automation setting. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.